Hello, lovely ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Night's Choice channel. My name is B, and today we're talking about parsley in tea stories. Okay, let's first start with the instructions. There is timeline down in description that you can use to quickly navigate, as well as in comment section. There are 4 parts. First one is general information, second one will cover history, third one is covering medical usages, and fourth one is cooking time. Parsley, or Petroselenium crispum, is a plant that is easily recognized and widely used, often as a garnish. Now, you might have came across 2 types of parsleys. There is curly parsley and Italian parsley. They are very similar looking and they have similar chemical composition. Parsley is a species of flowering plants from family Apiaceae that is native to Central and Eastern Mediterranean region. Now, in Central, Eastern and Southern Europe, as well as in Western Asia, many dishes are flavored with fresh green chopped parsley that is spread on top of them. Root is also used in many Europe's dishes. It is great for flavoring meals without adding extra salt and sugar. Now, please keep in mind that eating varied diet, meaning a lot of fruit, a lot of vegetable, and eating meat as well, is key to have a healthy body. Now, that comes with, of course, some physical movement as well, or training. Health is in numbers, my friends. Health is in numbers. It is believed that parsley came from Sardinia and was originally grown there around 3rd century before Christ, though this is not historically confirmed. Name is said to come from Greek petra, meaning stone, and selenon, meaning celery. In myths, parsley sprang from blood of Archemorus or Opheltes when he was eaten by serpent Nemea as an infant. Early Greeks made crowns from parsley for winners of Nemean or funeral games. Parsley in Hebrew celebration Passover is a symbol of spring and rebirth. Romans, though, use celery after long celebrations and parties to cover the stench of alcohol. There is common saying in England, Welsh parsley is a good physic, meaning the gallows rose as a Welsh parsley. Charles the Great and Caterina de' Medici are said to be responsible for popularization of this plant. They had it growing all over their property, as per most of historians. Parsley is full of antioxidants which are significant in cell defense from free radicals. It has high concentration of flavonoids, carotenoids, tocopherol and ascorbic acid. It has been noted that drinking parsley improves liver function and promotes ability to support blood sugar control. It is potent in vitamin C and vitamin A, boosting your immunity to whole another level. As most of herbal teas, it is diuretic, meaning tea helps eliminate toxins, retained water, salts, and fats from your body. This reduces the stress on kidneys, and yes, it can be used for weight loss. Presence of myristicin and apiol helps remedy menstruation symptoms by balancing hormone levels. Folic acid can also be found in parsley and is essential in maintaining healthy blood vessels. On the other hand, it has flavonoid apigenin that is said to block growth of cancer cells, as well as luteolin that has potential to prevent tumor growth. If this is not enough, it is a natural remedy to avoid kidney stones, and because of beta-carotene, it lowers asthma strength. Parsley's tea compounds can loosen up phlegm and mucus that might be in your throat or lungs. They also treat hypertension and high cholesterol, reduces joint swelling and pain. Hell, with iron to help with anemia, vitamin A to help eyes against oxidative stress, vitamin K to maintain bones, this plant is just ridiculously healthy. Okay, let's get to cooking, shall we? Now, first, word of advice. If you are pregnant, diabetic, have fluid retention, high blood pressure or low blood clotting or kidney issues, please consult your local healthcare provider first. Now, parsley is quite inexpensive, making this tea one of the, if not the cheapest tea in the world. Now, you can make tea out of the fresh or dried parsley, very easy. It has grassy to earthy taste, which is quite mild, so it can be altered with lemon and honey, very easy. Please remember though that dried parsley has stronger taste and is more bitter, but I like more fresh one because of its aroma. For 1 cup of tea you need 2 teaspoons of dried or 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Put them in the boiled water and leave them 5 to 10 minutes. Now, of course, as with any other plant, I suggest washing first if you are using fresh parsley, of course, and chopping it into big pieces. The longer you leave tea to be made, the bitter it gets. Although not often mentioned, you can make tea out of roots and seeds as well. Now please remember, don't peel roots, just cut them in small pieces. For a cup of tea you need 2 tablespoons of freshly cut root and leave them in boiled water about 10 minutes or so. For tea made of seeds, you need again the 2 tablespoons to put into 1 cup of boiled water. But please don't leave them more than 5 minutes because the tea will get too bitter. You can drink this tea safely, 1 cup a day, but make a break 1 or 2 weeks in a month. If you are curing some condition, you can take higher dosage, but please consult your healthcare provider first. If you like this video, please consider liking it. If you would like to hear more content like this, please consider subscribing. And if you have any suggestions or advice, please leave them down in the comment section. Thank you all. Bye!